Good morning. Welcome to Mickey and My Craft. This is Hila, your host. Today, 7th grade asked me to choose some products to review. And today we're going to review some products that can be used either for cross stitch and, for cross stitch products. Accessory plus a cross stitch, okay? But before we pack on that, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell for more videos, and like, share, and comment, and I really appreciate that. And if you're already a subscriber, welcome back, okay? So let's get started. So I got this package. I opened the top and I can see now that the cross stitch came all bent, okay, but it doesn't help. But let's see what we got over here. Okay, so we got another one of this because I have two already, but these are very good. That's what I don't know yet. I'm gonna make another video telling you why did I use it for, along with starting the cross stitch. But these are very handy, and this is pretty. It's a little bent over here, probably because of the shipping. But my husband can fix that because I have another one like that, and it's still closed though. And these are very good because this one I had it for this and the rings that I'm supposed to be wearing, but I haven't wear it. Okay, let me put this one in. So you see, you can use it for this, for wearing, for putting your rings in. This is another one that I have. This one is too small, and I got my rings over here. I like this one with the turquoise. Okay, and I have my this. So I got this one, and this one I was thinking to use it to put these ones in because they're always falling. So let's do this temporarily and let's see if they fix. You see? And then I have all of them together. Let me get this one out. I got two over here with 14 counts. My goodness. Because I have a whole bunch of 14 counts needles, and most of them are in how you say it, and this one just, anyway, I'm gonna put it aside. Let's put it aside. I'll take care of that later. Let's go to this. So here it is. You can use it for almost anything. Okay, as you can see. I don't know what the other one is. I will have to find out, but I like that. And I always keep them close to my desk. The next thing I got is another one of this. As you can see, I use them for my needles. And the 14 counts, I'll take it out of the package. You see, it's like a lipstick. You put them in there and you rise them up when you're gonna need it. You put it over here, but it has a magnet over here. And let me show you the one that I was trying to fix. As you can see, but this one, pretty soon I'm gonna have to, you cannot fill it up too much, and I'm gonna tell you why. You see this inside? The inside over here, that notch in there, the needles tend to get stuck in there if you put too much. Let me get this, since we are using it already. And this is 14 count. You see, you put it up, and that noise is because the needles are getting tangled in that inside notch. Look, it gets tangled, and then when you going up and down, it goes behind the plastic thing. So you have to be careful about that. But I like this. That's what I got another one, because I like them. And I've been trying to oops, you have to be careful. And because I'm using this for the Ambilight, these are 26, I believe, count gauge needles. Okay, so you see they get stuck in there. So I'm gonna put them over here, and then these ones are very good. I like them. I like them. This another one of this. Oh, here it is. Yeah. Yeah. So I have all of them. So I'm gonna put this one inside this one for when I needed to use it. And even standing up, these will close. Okay, because it's deep enough. I like cases like this. It's deep enough. Okay, so I put that. Now we come into the scissors. These scissors, we already have a collection of it. I have a similar one. No, I don't think I had this one. Yeah, I have a collection of scissors. But these scissors are good. And I like the way they come, you know, already packed. Oh yeah, this is neat. And I like the blue. Look at how gorgeous it is. You want to see if it works? I use them for my cross stitches, so to cut the thread. Excuse me. It's a European style. Yeah, I like these ones. These are beautiful. For my collection, another one. 7th grade is a diamond art. They have diamond paintings and cross stitches. And here is the cross stitch. It's called Leisure Time. 14 count, 33 by 33. So it should not be that big. It looks like it's gonna have some back stitch. It's all bent. So, and it's in this pack, right? That contains the instructions on how to pull the thread, right, and how to cross stitch on how to choose on printed cloth and counter cross stitch, and how to stitch on counter cross stitch. They have some useful tips over here, and they tell you over here how much of how many strands you're gonna use for back stitching and how to care for the fabric. Plus you have the embroidery description down here at the bottom. Okay, so let's see. I'm gonna take it out so I can show you from the, yeah, this thing was all bent in the package, which I suggest 7th grade to have a little more wider package. It's a very simple one. This is good for beginners. Okay, this is good for beginners, but since summer is coming, I was thinking about doing one of this for summer besides the 2 big ones that I'm doing. Okay, that's neat. Okay, here is a pattern. Let me put this aside, which unfortunately is on a glossy sheet. Okay, look at this. It tells you the back stitching where it doesn't need it, which is not that much, and it's a lot of blocking. This should be a quick one. A lot of blocking. Maybe we can start. And this one has 22 full stitch and 1 back stitch, of course. 22. This is a pretty short one. Short and sweet. And I like this because if you have any doubts, you can refer back to this. Even though, as we're gonna see now, I'm gonna put the thread behind. I'm gonna show you. It's a 33 by 33, so it should not be that big. You see, it's not that big. I can fix almost the entire thing. Why this is not okay? I'm losing weight. I've been losing weight like crazy. It's overcast today, so because it's gonna rain. So here are the symbols. They're very clear, along with the DMC code. These are the ones that you use in the fabric to get your thread, okay? And here it is. Like I told you, this is a quickie, leisure time. I'm trying to get it straightened out because the fabric is kind of off-white. It comes serged all around, so it won't fray while you're stitching. It tells you the product number, leisure time, and the name. Okay, this information over here, I don't understand it. So it's 140 wide by 140 height stitches, number of stitches. Okay, it's a square one. And it's called leisure time with 22 colors. And look at all this blocking. Man. And it's a partial because you don't stitch over here. Let me see. Yeah, you don't stitch this area. Okay, this area over here. You don't stitch it, although there is a 5200, a white one, but it's marked by a blue block, and these are these over here. Okay, if you have anything left over, or you have left over from all the cross stitches, you might want, but I will leave it because once you wash, you do this and wash it, it's not different. Doesn't make no difference. So here it is. It's a partial with a lot of blocking. I don't see any confetti at all. It's small patches of blocking. Okay, I'm going to put you closer so you will see. And I'm going to move it around. If you can see, and the symbols are clear. If anything is over here, and it's not even a crazy confetti, you can do this. This is a good pattern for beginners, honestly. A great pattern for beginners. Even though it involves backstitch, and most people are kind of afraid of the backstitch. Okay? So the symbols are very clear. This is a cute one to do. And let's see the threads. By the way, Joy Sunday has the usual 2 needles, which I'm gonna take it out because I just went through a whole bunch of them taking it out because God, I got so much cross stitch. I gotta put them in the storage. So here are, there's not much thread. Okay. Here they are. White, blue, browns, and greens for the grass. And for the probably for the houses, there's a lot of blues and white over here. This is the one that you use for the back stitch. So it's actually 23. And then, if you can see it, here's all of them together. So you see there's not that many threads. So we might be able to start this one for next week, next time, next video. So thank you for watching. Have a wonderful week. Remember to go out. The products links are in the description box and also the website link. Remember, they have diamond painting and they have cross stitches and they have good sales on it. Okay, it's another budget-friendly company. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and comment. Until the next time, much love and peace to all of you. Bye.